In this video, I will show you how to make Mostbet account in Sinhala. This is very easy. Just subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So to make a Mostbet account in Sinhala, the first thing is to change your language to Sinhala. So you come back to language here. You are going to come and scroll down to where you have Sinhala. So you scroll down to Sinhala. You are going to take Sinhalese here and then click on done. Once that is done, you can go ahead and register your account. To register your account, you're going to choose the email option and then choose your country. So choose your country to Sri Lanka or any other country that you want to use in this matter. So when you choose your country, you're going to choose your currency. So you choose the currency you're comfortable with, and then you put in your email address, your password, and then you're going to come down here to promo code box and then use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, you'll receive up to 300 US dollars on your first deposit. So when you use the Renzo TV, you're going to confirm the promo code so that you're going to receive your 300% bonus on your first deposit. Once that is done, just go ahead and register your account. And that's how to make an account in Mostbet Sinhala.